The movement of the small intestine after meals. It has mainly first digestive phase. Here is seen a first mixing movement. The mixing movement which are responsible for the mixing of the chyme with bile, pancreas and intestinal juice so help digestion. It slows the transit of the chyme so makes it available also for the absorption. Secondly, the segmentation contraction. The intestine is temporarily divided into segmented by contractions ring or contraction rings of 2 to 5 centimeter due to contraction of small or smooth muscles. The movement of the chyme in both directions. After 5 to 6 seconds, a relaxation of constricted portions and appears of the new set of contraction ring between previous ring, that is segmentation contraction. This is the process is showing segmentation contractions. The rate of segmentation is the same as the rate of BER. Higher frequency in proximal portion helps propulsion of the content, while control appears by spike on BER, no hormonal or neural control. Greater the amplitude of BER, more the strength of this contraction. This is the propulsive moments showing different phases, that is peristaltic contractions and peristaltic rush. When is this peristalsis? That means a reflex response initiated by the stretching of the gut wall which results in wave of contraction ring proceeds by way of relaxation. This is peristalsis. The contraction ring above the bolus and relaxation below the bolus resulting in the movement of the bolus at the rate of 2 to 15 centimeter per second. This is known as peristalsis. This each contraction wave travels for a short distance and then dies out. A new contraction is initiated from a site later distal to previous site. Many waves are seen throughout the length. The net movement of the chyme is slower than interdigestive phase and it takes 4 to 5 hours to reach ileocecal wall. Now when you see what are the effects of extrinsic nerve? The parasympathetic stimulation increases the motility while sympathetic stimulation decreases the motility. The parasympathetic stimulation increases the motility like in strong emotions, while the sympathetic decreases the motility like anger, pain, etc. Now what are the moment or hormonal effects? Hormonal effects increases the motility. Which hormones? Gastrin, CCK, 5-HT, thyroxine and insulin. These increases the motility, while secretin and glucagon decreases the motility. Now, when we see the next concept, that is peristaltic rush, it is seen only when the severe irritation of intestinal mucosa by infection, strong peristaltic contraction originating in duodenum reaching the ileocecal wall, sweeps the contents within the minutes and it prevents excessive diarrhea due to the distension of the different gases. This is peristaltic rush. We see what are the moments of the villi. The moment of the villi alternate contraction and relaxation of the muscle fibers in intestinal villi. This helps in emptying the lacteals in lymphatics and absorption by increasing the surface area. This is the function of villi or moments of the villi. In next part we will discuss the reflexes related to the intestinal motility.